Hi, this is Anna Kay with the Sacramento Market Update. This week, the median list price for Sacramento, California is $544,900, with the Market Action Index hovering around 51. This is less than last month's Market Action Index of 52. Inventory has increased to 792 active listings. The market remains in a relative status in terms of sales to inventory. Prices have not been moving higher for several weeks, but inventory is sufficiently low to keep us in a seller's market zone. If the market heats up persistently, prices are likely to resume an upward climb. Let's compare this to a year ago. The price per square foot is now $341, identical to last April. Homes are spending an average of 58 days on the market, pretty much the same as 57 days a year ago. And inventory is up significantly. It is 792 homes and is almost a double from 459 listings a year ago. So what does this mean for buyers and sellers? The Sacramento market remains strong despite stubbornly high interest rates, currently hovering between 6 and 7%. With inventory still low, buyers are finding it challenging to negotiate the purchase, and sellers are benefiting from the demand. Everyone is asking me, what is happening to the rates? The week before, we saw the highest increase in mortgage rates in 3 years. The market reacted strongly to recent developments, especially around tariffs, and that created a wave of volatility. Rates are now solidly back in the high sixes, a welcome shift from the 7+% we briefly saw last week. The drop isn't dramatic, but it is meaningful, and it came thanks to market reassurance after some of the biggest concerns, especially around tariffs and the global economic risk, began to ease. During a speech last week, Fed Chair Powell noted that the economy is giving mixed signals. On one hand, tariffs could cool growth, which usually lowers interest rates. On the other, they could fuel inflation, which pushes rates up. The Feds are essentially stuck in the middle right now, and until the economic impact becomes more clear, we can expect some back and forth rate behavior. What this means for you? Mortgage rates today are better than they were last week and the week before, but volatility is still in the air. Average mortgage rates, according to Freddie Mac, are 6.83 for 30-year fixed-rate mortgage and 5.93 for 15 years fixed-rate mortgage. If you are looking to buy, getting pre-approved is more important than ever. Rates are changing daily, so make sure you're locked in as soon as possible if you have a good rate. You can message me or visit my website to start the pre-approval process. For sellers, this is a great time to list your home. Low inventory and rising prices per square foot means strong demand and the potential for higher offers. And multiple offers, what we see in the market a lot right now. Whether you're buying or selling, it is essential to have a solid strategy. Contact me today and let's discuss how to make you competitive in today's market. Thank you for watching, and come back next week to see my video about pros and cons of living in Midtown Sacramento. If you like this video, please share with your friends and family, and I'll see you next week.